Hello, dear Pisces. A very good evening to you guys. So this is a general of reading till mid of April, and we will tap into your partner's energy and your energy, and we will see what the outcome will be. Okay. So your partner's energy right now, Pisces, is the King of Cups. So I feel like your partner is now emotionally available. They have finally decided that yes, they do love you and they want you in their life, and they are emotionally stable now. They are emotionally available now. Basically, Pisces. How your partner sees you is the Nine of Swords. Okay, so I feel like your partner feels like you are stressed out over something, or you are insomniac, or you are somebody who takes a lot of stress. They feel like that. Okay, it is not the reality, but this is your version. This is your version in their eyes. Okay, so basically, I feel like your partner feels like you are right now going through a very stressful phase in your life, or you are coming through a very stressful phase in your life. Whatever it is, they are feeling like you are in a stress right now. How they feel about this relationship is the Ten of Pentacles. They feel very connected to you. They feel very strong bonding of a family with you. They feel like yes, you are their family and you have the potential to become their family if you are not already. Or they want to give you something very stable. They want to make this relationship a very stable and loving and caring relationship, a family relationship. They want to grow old with you. Basically, Pisces, this is a very beautiful energy. What they feel about this relationship is they want to have a family with you. What they want from this relationship is a Page of Wands. They want to reignite the passion. I think you guys are together from a very long time, maybe, Pisces. So that is why they want to reignite the passion. They want to start like a kid again. They want to start like a person they used to be when you guys started dating, maybe. But right now they are, all they want is a new passionate beginning with you in this relationship. Basically, the passion thing that is missing, they want that back. Okay, and the outcome from their side is the Nine of Pentacles. Although they are feeling loved, they are feeling in love with you, although they see you as a marriage material, I feel like right now they are holding back. Right now till the middle of April, I don't think they are going to give you any kind of offer or any kind of proposal or anything like that. But definitely they see you as somebody who is a very caring person, or whom they see as their family. But right now they are holding back because they are right now focused on their money, on their own stability or their own work. I feel like they will come out to you soon, Pisces, and they will reveal that they love you and they want you in their life. But they are preparing for that right now. Okay, the Nine of Pentacles is clarified by the Six of Swords, the Nine of Wands, and the Six of Pentacles. Lots of six. Okay. So Six of Swords is basically telling me right now they are moving towards a calm phase in their life. Like right now they are making a peaceful resolution in their life, peaceful amends in their life. Then they are guarded up. This is the Nine of Wands. Then they are guarded up about something in their life. They are not revealing the true feelings for you, but right now they are in love with you, but they are not revealing it to you. Okay, very soon. Then this is the Six of Pentacles. They are working on themselves. They are balancing out their skills. They are seeing all the pros and cons, and they are making themselves to be worthy of you. Okay, that is what they are doing. They will be out soon. They will reveal it to you soon, but right now they are holding back. By the mid of April, I don't think they are going to say or propose to you, but definitely behind the scenes all this is going on. Okay, your energy, Pisces, is the Four of Swords. So basically, you are healing from something, Pisces, or you are in this healing mode, or you are in the meditative phase. You are holding back. You are, stepping. You are taking a step back, and you are analyzing each and everything from your perspective. You are analyzing whether you should, go for this person or not, whether you should take this initiative or not, whether this is the right person for you or not. Whatever it is, you are contemplating a lot about your life right now. You are taking a step back from everything. How you see your person as a Page of Swords. You see your person as somebody who is a stalker. Maybe you feel like this person is stalking you a lot. Maybe you feel like this person is not the right person for you because they are into mental games or manipulative, or they manipulate you every time you meet, or they play mind games, or whatever it is. You feel like this person is kind of immature and is a stalker, or they make you feel like somebody is somewhat uncomfortable, or give you some kind of anxiety, or make you nervous in some conditions. So that is why maybe you are holding back. That is why you are taking lots of time and to analyze that what you want from this particular person. What do you feel about this relationship? Relationship is the Five of Wands. You feel I don't feel like you are happy in this relationship, Pisces, right now. You feel like this relationship is always a conflict. There is always a quarrel or a fight, or there's something always going on that make you conflicted with this person. This conflict, this fight, this whatever this is happening, it might be inner conflict going on inside of you, that you are not able to amend things, you are not able to make things move forward or take it to the next level, whatever it is. But right now you feel conflicted in this relationship. Right now you are not happy in this relationship, but you feel about this relationship that everything is conflicted, everything is messed up, everything is not going your way. What you want from this relationship, this is the Three of Cups. You want a reconciliation in this relationship, to be very honest, Pisces. uh, okay, you want a reconciliation, because what I feel is, although you are right now taking a step back, although you are over analyzing everything, although you are in this mindset of, no, this is not working out for me, still you want to have a reconciliation with this person. You want to give it another shot, you want to give it another chance. Okay, the outcome from your side is the King of Swords. So basically, the King of Swords is telling me that you are going to talk to this person, but you are not going to open up emotionally to this person. You are, you are being very very guarded. You are being acting very very practically. You are taking your decision from your mind rather than your heart, Pisces, and that is what you are doing. You are going to, uh, talk to them. You are going to make amends in this relationship, but I feel like you are mostly guided by your mind rather than your heart, and that is what you are doing. You are eventually you guys are talking to each other, okay, if you're not on the talking terms. But I don't feel lots of love or lots of positive things coming in, because from your side you are now very very clear what you want from this relationship. So your card, the King of Swords, is clarified by the Two of Cups, the King of Pentacles, and the Ace of Pentacles. See, I'm telling you, you are not taking any decision by your heart. Although after gaining the mental clarity, you will realize that you treat this person as your soulmate. You treat this person as somebody who is very very stable, independent, and very very down to earth, practical, and you are ready for a new beginning. This is the Ace of Pentacles. Okay, and this could be somebody new as well coming to your life, or maybe you are allowing some new person to come into your life and start a new beginning and have a new beginning. But as long as this past person is concerned, as long as the person whomsoever is on your mind while you are watching this reading, I feel like you are going to talk to them, but that is not going to be a very emotional or a very beautiful or very lovely kind of meeting. That is practical meeting, that is going to be a very honest and open conversation, and to the point, cut to the point, not any kind of ifs and buts from your side. Okay, okay. So this is what is happening all over in this reading, Pisces, for you guys. So I pulled three cards for you guys from the Love Oracle deck, and this is the first card that I got for the past. Cupid's arrow. I think in the past you guys loved each other, and you felt like you are falling for each other. Have faith, love is coming, surprise, invitation of meeting, whatever it was. The Cupid's arrow hit you in the past, recent past maybe, or in the past, or obviously you had a love life, so you had this card. Right now you are feeling like stabbed in the back, heartbreak. You are going through a heartbreak, you are going through a separation, deception, or shocking news. You are going through this kind of energy right now. Current energy is this, and in the near future it is going to be a very good energy for you. Are you going to date somebody? You are going to meeting someone new, dating and getting back out there and planning or setting a date, whatever it is. So yes, I told you, you might be giving a chance to a new person as well. There's a new start there. King of Swords is there, King of Pentacles is there. I feel like there are two people, somebody new is also coming in, somebody very very stable and new coming in your life, Pisces, and you are ready to give it a chance. I feel like that. So Pisces, whatever it is, you know it better, right? So this is all the insight of you, Pisces, for your month of April till mid of April. I hope it will help you out to some extent to make some decision. Thank you so much for listening. God bless you. Do let me in the comment section below if I can improve anything in my readings that can make you that can make my readings more comfortable to listen to and gain the knowledge from them too. Okay. Thank you so much. Namaste. This is Anjali Tarot.